How to activate Steam gift cards. Steam is a digital distribution platform primarily designed for video games, but it also offers software and other content. The first thing you need to do is go and open up Steam or go to the Steam website. Then log in your account. Click on your username. Click on Account Details. Click on Add Funds to Steam Wallet. Click on Redeem a Steam gift card code or wallet code. Enter your gift card or Steam wallet code. Enter your address if you're prompted. That's it. Thanks for watching.